Let's see how to make some text fit in a Google Sheet cell. So as you can see here in cell A1, I have this text written, and it obviously overflows its cell. It's going by the length of 4 cells. So to make it fit in its cell, we have a couple of options. The first thing that we need to do is to click on that cell and then identify this text wrapping button from over here. And this button, when you click on it, offers 3 options, which is overflow, which is the state that we have now, wrap, and clip. Let's see what clip does. It simply cuts the text at the length of itself. So if you need to do this, then select clip. But then the second option is to use wrap. And with wrap, this is going to extend the height of the cell to make all the text fit in it. So whichever option is best for you, use that one. Regarding the previous option to clip the text, there is also the option to align our text to be aligned to the right, and this is going to ensure that only the last bits of text are being shown, to align it at the center, and this will make sure that the center of our text is being shown, or to leave it originally as it was aligned on the left. So whichever options of the ones that I presented to you works best, use that one. This is how to do it. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you had any issues, and I'll see you in the next one.